guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of watching my videos, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Hilda. In today's video, we're going to be discussing common skincare mistakes that you are probably making that is hindering your skin goals. Okay, the first on my list, I'm going to start with this one because I'm currently putting on makeup. So the first on my list is not taking your makeup off at the end of the day. I see a lot of people do this and I just want to say, why are you not taking off your makeup at the end of the day? If you don't take off your makeup, it clogs your pores, leading to breakouts, and you don't want breakouts, you want fresh skin. So please try as much as possible to take off your makeup at the end of the day. So the second skincare mistake you are probably making is over exfoliation. There, I said it. Over exfoliation. Exfoliation is good, but too much? Nah, that's not good. Exfoliation is removing the dead skin cells of your skin. Of course, exfoliation is good. When you exfoliate, your skin is fresh, it's looking vibrant, it's looking brighter. Exfoliation is good, but too much? Nah. But exfoliation leads to damage skin barrier. You don't want your skin to be so sensitive at the slightest touch or the slightest thing. Okay, it's bad enough that little things can alter your skin barrier, but over exfoliation is not good. Okay, if you're going to use chemical exfoliant, if you're going to use physical exfoliant, so we have two, physical or chemical. So if you're going to use chemical or physical, don't use both of them the same day. It's not advisable. For physical exfoliant, don't do up to 4 or 5 times a week. Why? That's not good. That's gonna lead to over exfoliation, and your skin does not want that. The third mistake that you are currently making is not changing your sheets, towels regularly. Yeah. So some people that I know, of course, some of these mistakes I've probably done them in the past. Now I know better. That's why I'm telling you what you can do. When you don't change your sheets, no oils from your hair, from your skin at night, you know, the dirt, everything gets to your sheets or your pillowcase. So you don't change it. By the time you've kept your bed sheets for the whole week, it's dirty. Now you carry your clean skin. You've finished brushing, scrubbing, staying in the sauna, everything. You now come and lie down on that dirty bed. It's not okay now. You have breakouts. They will rush you. So please try as much as possible to change your bed sheets, your pillowcases, and your towels as often as possible. Okay, try minimum once a week, change it on a minimum. Okay, if you can do more than that, do you, but I'm just saying that's minimum. The next mistake you are probably making, this one, the same towel you use for your body on your face, I don't advise it. So the next point I'm going to say is ditch the body towel on your face. Get a different towel for your face, or just do like me, just air dry your skin. I don't remember the last time I used a towel on my face. I don't use it all on my face. Once I'm done in the bathroom and I do like this and I come outside, it will dry. In short, I don't even need it to be super dry because I need my skin to still be damp so that I can apply my products on it and it will sink in. So just ditch using body towel on your face. I don't recommend it. I don't advise it. It's not good for your skin. So the next mistake you are probably making is picking your face. When we have breakouts, we tend to, oh, what's this? Let me pick it off. I don't like it. It's spoiled by a fine girl. It's spoiling my fine boy. Try as much as possible not to pick your face. When you pick your face, you are scarring your skin. Sometimes you see that particular place, people will be coming there. It will be your visitor. It will be coming there and you will have black spots. Real before that one will go in. So just try as much as possible to pick at your face. Another common mistake I see people make, or I used to make, like, oh no, I need to stop saying this. These are mistakes that I've probably made in the past, and now I'm coming out here to tell you that you need to change and do better. You know, when we have the right information, we need to apply it and do better. Okay. Every day we learn every day. I didn't know these things yesterday. Now I know them today. Now I'm applying them today, and my skin is thanking me for this. So the next I have on my list is pay attention to your skin. I can't even stress this enough. I used to be a kind of person that when something happens to me, before I will notice that thing on my skin, it is when everybody can see it. That's when I see it. I realized it's not helpful, and what was best is to monitor your skin. Watch your skin, pay close attention. When you wake up in the morning, you look at your skin. Let me look. Was this one? I think my skin is doing great today. Was this one year before? It's not yet. So that you can attend to these issues on time. When you notice them, you quickly attend to it. Know what your skin needs at different times, at different stages of the month. If you're female, even normally, sometimes your skin is just trying to tell you something. You pay attention so that you can attack the issues on time. The next mistake you're probably making is not drinking enough water. Yes, because it helps with your skin. It flushes out toxins from the body. Whatever you eat, drink, your body needs that nutrients. Okay, so the water helps to keep everything moving. So try and drink enough water. Okay, it's good for you. The next mistake is bathing with hot water. Hot water. It's not possible to have your bath with lukewarm water, not steaming hot water. We are not trying to remove feather from chicken. Okay, so use lukewarm water. Limit that hot water. No. It's killing your skin. It's going to make your skin super dry, and your skin will not be, when you look at it, the appearance, it affects the appearance of your skin, whether you like it or not. The earlier you stop, the better for you. Okay, the next mistake is not following the instruction of the manufacturer. I cannot stress this one enough. When you purchase the product, the manufacturer tells you, use this product twice a day. Use this product once a day. And you see some people, they won't even use the product. They might not use the product in a day. They might use it once in a week. And then they'll say, it's not working. I don't like it. It's not giving me the best results. You're not following instructions. Try as much as possible to follow the manufacturer's instructions. You need to be consistent with your routine. Take it personal. You are trying to achieve something, so take it really personal. Be consistent, back to back. Then go back to back. You need something, not that you're supposed to take care of your makeup. You're supposed to wash your face twice a day. You know, say, I don't feel like drag yourself. Try your best, okay? The last mistake is not being patient. When you start a new skincare routine, or you start using new products, try as much as possible to be patient. Give your skin time to work on itself, to repair itself. Give your skin some time. Let the product run its course before you draw your conclusion. Not after 3 days, you're already like, it's not working. After 5 days, it's not working. One thing I want you to know is, two people can be from the same family, and what works for me might not work for you. That's what I'm trying to say. One thing I want you to take home is, what works for me might not work for you, might not work for you. It can work for you, but might not work for you. I'll give you an example. I brought my brother on this channel before, right? There was a product that was trending some time ago. I think it was a soap. a long time ago. Me, I went to buy, that is the thing, I went to buy 12, like 12 pieces of this soap. It was trending then. I bought 12 pieces of the soap. See me now, feeling like, oh, it's gonna work. I just chattered the whole thing. I used the first one. I could tell that this soap is not for me. I was breaking out seriously. This soap is not for me. I was seriously breaking out. My skin was super dry. And you know, boys now, my brother just came and he said, oh, you're not using this soap again. He just carried it and started using it. And he was like, I like this soap. Oh. And you see me now, I bought 12. What would I do? I carried everything and I gave him. It was working for him. Even when he finished the 12, was he saying, have fun now. So he likes it. Me, I ran from the soap. So we are from the same family. We are from the same family, okay? But the soap he used that he loved, me, I was breaking out. Serious breakout. He was getting fresher and fresher by the day. Me, I was just breaking out. So that's to tell you that what works for me might not work for you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to give you more videos like this, if you have ideas, video you want me to shoot for you, please let me know in the comment section and I will do that for you. Okay, so if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, share my videos please, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.